What do you do if someone that you care about appears to be experiencing a mental health emergency? Emergency Services is a 24-hour program within the RACSB available to individuals of all ages who appear to be experiencing a mental health crisis. To access emergency services, there's a 24-hour phone line that can be reached at 540-373-6876. During business hours, your call will be answered by an emergency services therapist. Outside of business hours, an answering service will take your call and dispatch it to an emergency services therapist who will get back to you promptly. Once you make that call, you can expect that the emergency services therapist will speak with you or the person that you care about to assess for risk. During that call, you may be referred to the next appropriate steps. Some of those steps might include presenting to an emergency department for immediate evaluation, being referred to outpatient services with the RACSB or another community provider, or an emergency services therapist can conduct a telehealth or phone assessment for you right in that moment. What do you do if someone doesn't want the help? Oftentimes it can be difficult to help those in crisis, especially if they aren't agreeable to the help that you're offering. If you contact emergency services, we can take you through the next appropriate steps. If it's an emergency and you're immediately concerned for your safety or the safety of the individual, please call 911. Otherwise, we may recommend that you present to a magistrate and request that they issue an emergency custody order. This order allows for law enforcement to present to the individual's residence or wherever they are in the community and assist them with getting to the hospital. Many of our officers are trained in mental health through a program called CIT, and they are familiar with the crises that these individuals are experiencing and do their best to handle them in a therapeutic manner. Again, there are lots of doors to enter when you're experiencing a mental health crisis, and emergency services is there to talk you through all the options. So never hesitate, always call. We can be reached at 540-373-6876.